Guys, it's Joey Blake. I'm just popping on to give you this quick message. I want to say firstly to our final 9 and the semi-finalists, wow, well done on some incredible journeys this season. It's been very challenging for us all having to do this online the way we have. But honestly, I truly hope that from the bottom of my heart that you've all enjoyed this journey. It's kept us all occupied through lockdown and things like that. But on a general form within the competition, you've all done amazingly well. This is going to be so tough to make this decision this week on taking this down to our final 6 for the live finals. So guys, be proud. We are proud of you all. You're part of this network now. You're part of this family, and we're always here for all of you. Big love to you all. I'll see you soon.